the story of Nirupam Haldar. He became the oldest insolvency professional. He became insolvency professional in his 70s. Insolvency professional, Vishnu Das insolvency. It was such a great achievement. Now I'm speaking about the goodness of the profession. All these things I have taken Nafla and everything, Aniket. Huh? So I have taken everything, face off. Right? Mr. M.S. Sahu at that time, he came down to Calcutta to give him the certificate. Saying that you did it. Right? But Mr. Haldar, he expired at the age of 90, I think 91, 92. His wife was telling me that even before expired, he had his laptop on. Going through CP programs of the institute. Wonderful stories, sir. Wonderful stories. এর থেকে পজিটিভ স্টোরি আর কি বলতে পারি। তারপরে উনি কি করলেন? What